No for the boarding. Guests waiting for the next transit will leave behind the yellow line. No for the boarding at this time. Guests on board if an item should follow the traveling motion 60 from the nearest cast member next stop. Suddenly starts and stops.
Good morning. It is day 4 and we are at Animal Kingdom. Let's go. One of the most iconic sites for me on Disney World property. And some good parents in there. Forgot Theon's hat. Does anybody else's kids just tend to go? No comprehension of what's going on, just gone.
Lion?
What about this one, Theon? No? There's an, here, look here. There's an,
Look at these, can do it after.
I want to get that.
there you go. Look. There's in this one as well.
Oh.
Which one? Light or dark?
Light.
Good choice.
Hat acquired. Very smart hat, that. That needs to be attached to that bag at all times, huh? Do you reckon,
I'm going to put them all in the boot and just leave them in there. There's going to be not forget another. He's got 3 hats at the villa.
3 hats.
Now he has 4.
And he's only got 1 little head. I'm going to go and do it to Bug's Eye for the first. It's going sometime soon, but fancy doing it. Yeah, a really good close up of the tree when you come down here. There's lots of bits of the tree that you get to see. You can see how many animals you can see on the tree as you go around. I saw one, I saw a gorilla. Yeah.
Oh, 11 snake and gecko. Crocodile.
Yeah. Oh, that's it.
Whale.
There, look, there's some. They're like, I don't know what they are. Looks like we timed that to perfection and it's a walk on.
Yeah, it was really fun.
Oh, there is a big frog. And there's a dolphin or some sort of whale.
Throwing my things in the trash.
Well, guys, did you enjoy It's a Bug's Life? I don't know why they're getting rid of that or changing it. Yeah, they're changing it and it's gonna go. It's such a good show.
Why? Why?
It's scary for kids.
Why are they
For little
changing
ones. I don't know, they're gonna do something else, I think.
it?
It's a great show. Do you enjoy it, Aoife?
Yeah.
It's a Bug's Life, done and dusted.
And Yeti claws. Our magic sock. There we go. Thank you.
Front row. Right, kids. Second day in a row, front row. You ready? Leon.
Leon was so excited he forgot to pull his belt up.
Let's go. There you go.
I'll do it again. Look, a few times it happened. I want to do it.
You kept your arms up the whole time, Eva.
Did you enjoy that?
Yeah, I like that one.
That was a 25, maybe 30-minute wait. Advertised 40. What a ride.
It feels like you get ride time, yeah, on your ride. Oh, yeah!
Good ride. What a good ride.
I'll go do it again.
2 Yeti Sundays for the hot children. Oh, he's got a look, it matches your hat, Theon.
No, I got my mold.
Might get him to go with our bird.
Tiger either?
I don't know.
Ride? You want a boat ride?
We're going to see if Caroline can navigate all the way to Josh in the back, and I love the confidence of the people that are moving out of the way.
Yeah, we love that. Everyone brace for impact!
Look at that! Round of applause for our volunteers. You did a great job. Thank you so much.
Pretty cool, okay? Are you ready? Scott, are you ready? Oh yeah. Caroline, you ready? Oh yeah! Works for me. Let's give her a countdown in 3, 2, 1!
Whoa! Alright, so Ollie's kind of hanging out. He's checking out something in the woods, and that's okay. These birds have excellent eyesight. You know what a lot of people don't realize? Owls actually have excellent hearing too, so he might hear something off in the distance there. It's definitely got his attention. Hey Ollie, what do you think, buddy? All right, he's focused again. Here we go. Yeah, that is pretty cool, right? A bird that size not really making it. He'll spot that animal, and they'll swoop on down to the last second. And the animal that's below him, well, let's just say it never even knew there was an owl up above. So wonderful adaptation to have, but he does have some other really cool things working in his favor too. You heard me mention the hearing.
So Tej is one of the great trainers that works on the team, and he is going to bring out Keto for us. Keto's one of my favorite birds in the world, and she's a little Amazon. If you grow up around people, like our buddy Keto, we're going to be meeting in a second, what you mimic, oh hey, you're right here. Hey, thanks buddy. It sounds a lot more like human speech. Thank you, Tej, so much. Can you say hi? Yeah, she can say hi. She can give us an itty bitty baby greeting. It's her tiny little greeting. It's super cute, I know. So she's an Amazon parrot, but she's learned to introduce herself for doing shows for a while. So this is Keto. She's a
Amazon.
She's a double yellow-headed Amazon parrot. Right? So that's the type of parrot she is. But she can do something that takes mimicry to like a whole new level that I don't want to spoil. It's kind of like a big vocalization, and I'm just going to hold up the mic, let her warm up for a second, and see if she'll show off for us. So what do you think, buddy?
E.
Amazing.
Wow.
It's pretty large, right? That's a baraboo stork, which is one of the largest flighted birds in the world. You're looking at close to an 11-foot wingspan when he stretches all the way out. If you check this out, that's so good.
Yeah, that's a really important bird as well. Obviously, Boris lives here. Crowned cranes, they get their name from the beautiful crown of golden feathers on top of their heads.
What is this?
A crown of golden feathers.
Well, it's obviously a hat. They don't want to see me wear a hat.
Yeah, we did.
They would love to see me wear a hat.
Way.
That's good. So now we got Fraser Crane up there. We got Guy Fieri down here. It's did you see the science there? Actually, endangered species list, and their numbers are dropping so low, so fast. If
It was feared people would never see these beautiful birds in the wild ever again. But something pretty incredible started to happen. People took notice. Well said, Josh. So on behalf of all of us here, especially our feathered friends, we want to thank you all for hanging out with us. You have been a wonderful audience.
Great.
Please enjoy the rest of your day here at Disney's Animal Kingdom. Bye, everyone.
Yeah.
Explorers and friends.
Through the falls. Where's the second one? Oh, yeah.
These are our other two daughters we have in here. So Lily is 14 and then Grace just turned 5. Your daughters? Yeah, they're sisters. Full sisters. Anna's a half sister. What's your
I used to come in with wind chimes all the time when I used to come. Not from Disney. Probably the Wicked shop. About $35.
Because it's they've let in most people, like it's at 5 for 1.
Alright.
So it now becomes irrelevant. Finding Nemo show yet? Trying to optimize the aircon.
You want to be the swordfish, you don't want to be the whale. You need me around to watch your tail. The big world, you were just a little fish. The big blue world, we see as a tasting dish. You mean so much to me. I don't know what I could do. Let's make the sounds of the open sea. Mr. Ray! One more, explorers! Who's this?
I'm
He's
Nemo.
got a little fin. We will call this Lucky Fish. I think it's tighter. Just give him a break. 10, 15 minutes. He'll be all right. Let's go, explorers! Hold on tight. Are you ready? There's something wrong with you. Really? You're wasting my time. I have to find my son. Nemo. It's
Well, hi.
Nimes, Bruce!
I'm Dory, and this is...
You don't need to know. I was just leaving. I want you with you morsels to live a long time. To break for us not, we're stabbing another tiny bomb. Right there. So let's do that.
Trails lead to the ocean. Speaking of the ocean, Nemo's dad was still out there trying to find her.
Yeah, but there was one big problem. That mask.
Check this out. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Oh my goodness. But let us see how Squirt does flying solo. In the
Empty Dino Land. Yeah.
Are you supposed to rub out with them?
I have no idea how you're supposed to rub out with them. They're tricky. We've done Nemo. It was really good. Not done that in a couple of years. Kids enjoyed it. And then we're in some shops and we want to see what we're going to do next. Very warm, very warm is an understatement. Hot. Very hot. Let me check the temperature. 31 to 32 degrees. It's going to get hotter over the week. So yeah, really hot. Someone's had a treat. Sarah's got a lovely water bottle. Anyone want to guess the price below? You got for $15 if you bought anything in the dinosaur shop. So yeah, $15 water bottle. Same price at home.
Oh yeah, we always come here and play the games.
Oh, you're very kind. Thank you very much. We won today.
You won one, I won.
You're playing for this.
Yeah.
Any problem?
Right.
You ready, guys?
Hit as hard as you can.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, you just won. Well done.
Thank you for playing, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you for playing.
Do you like this little girl you met? Do you want it?
Oh, no.
It's okay, he's got these swans.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you. Some Disney magic. Bleh, Disney magic. Not from the actual cast members, but from some really nice people who were in Dino Land when we were playing the games. And they gave Aoife Minnie, and then Fionn got Mickey, and he also won his game. And he gave his prize away, which is very kind.
Hello, adventurers! We are the Discovery Island Drummers, and we hope you have an awesome day out there. Thanks for jamming with us. Let's keep it grooving with some more tunes. Kick it!
Heading into Pandora. We are in the queue for flights of passage. It says 80 minutes, we shall see.
Okay, Dr. Stevens, they're ready.
Can everyone see me? Great.
She's happy to be here.
Well, soon you're gonna have a chance to undertake an amazing Navi rite of passage, flying on the back of this powerful animal called an Ikron, or as we call it, a banshee. The way you're gonna do this is by being matched to something called an avatar. And I'm here to help you guys get ready. Now let's go over how all this works. Like I said before, you're going to be matched to these things called avatars. Using avatars to fly this way was all figured out by my boss, Dr. Jackie Ogden. She leads our science team, which is part of the Pandora Conservation Initiative, and we're here in the Valley of Moara studying banshees and their environment. All right, you've all been matched with avatars.
Welcome, everyone. I'm Dr. Jackie Ogden from the Pandora Conservation Initiative. You're about to experience a ceremony that's very special to the Na'vi, flying on the back of an Ikron, or as we call it, a banshee. To the Na'vi, connecting to an Ikron and flying on its back is an incredibly important rite of passage they call Ikni Maya. With permission from the Na'vi and in partnership with Alpha Centauri Expeditions, we can now bring this amazing experience.
Our crew, was the 2 hours worth it? No? Yeah, Aoife? Yeah. We're now in the gift shop for Pandora and Avatar. The wait was long. We entered the queue at 5 to 3, I think it was, and it was over pretty close to 2 hours. We've never queued that long for a long time. Kids were really good. They just queued. The ride was amazing as usual, but we don't really like to queue for that length of time. It's just a lot of time to waste. It didn't say that. It said it was going to be about 1 hour and 20, and we thought it might be close to an hour, but it wasn't. But we've had 3. We've had 3 good days of short queue times, so it's the way the cookie crumbles when you can glow in the dark stuff over there if it comes out on camera. We're going to probably do the safari, and then we're going to leave and head for some food and a bit of shopping, and I'm not sure what we got planned for tomorrow.
And I'll be your safari guide for today's journey on the Harambe Wildlife Reserve. Just a quick safety reminder, please remember to remain seated at all times during our safari today. Keep hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle at all times. Starting out over to the right, there is the okapi. A lot of people like to think that the okapi is related to the zebra because of those black and white stripes that they have, but they're actually related to the giraffe. They can reach heights up to 5 feet tall with a wingspan of about 9 feet long. If you look over to the left, there are some hippos over here.
Right.
Oh, see the hippos? A group of hippos is called a float. They are very territorial animals. They typically weigh anywhere in between 3,000 and 5,000 pounds.
If you look at the one just looking at you. Look, down there.
Like I said, they can hold their breath for up to 8 minutes long, so it is pretty typical to find them under the water. So we always need to look for any dark shadows, any bump. Over to the left, there's some more wildebeest over there, and on both sides of the path, there are some Maasai giraffes. Giraffes are, of course, the tallest land animal. They stand at about 18 to 20 feet tall. They are even born big. Babies are born at about 6 feet tall. And a group of giraffes is called a tower.
Oh, it's crossing the road.
Those little horns on top of the giraffe's head, those are called ossicones. They also have the same number of vertebrae in their neck that we as humans do. That number is 7.
Oh my God.
Posing.
These giraffes are going to eat for about 20 hours out of the day. They're only going to get about 30 minutes of sleep. They do have 4 stomach chambers to hold down all the food that they're eating. Baobab trees. Baobab trees are also nicknamed the tree of life. They can go leafless and hold water for up to 9 months out of the year. Oh no. From humans due to poaching. They are poached for their horns, which are actually just made of keratin, the same thing our fingernails and hair are made out of. So it's pretty silly that they're still being poached, considering there are no medicinal purposes for those horns or anything like that.
Isn't that Elsa in Rhino? No, I saw that. Good, wasn't it?
Good safari. Yeah?
Yeah.
Saw some good animals. Plenty around. Bye-bye. Just missed the cats. They seem to be a bit too hot. Cheetahs and lions.
Giraffes.
Saw giraffes, saw some really up close bits of rhinos.
Yeah.
Saw a big elephant.
Look at that, guys. Thanks for coming. There you go. Have a good night, guys.
Right. Anyway, time to leave the park. It's been a hot day. but a good day. Take away the big queue. Well, that's it done in the park. Pretty successful day for the most part. I would definitely say the heat is a challenge at the moment for us because everyone, particularly in the middle of the day, is getting a bit hot and bothered, but that's understandable. But hopefully we can continue to get bits done. We managed to get a lot done in the first 4 days, that's probably the main thing. Today was our worst experience with weights. We got caught out with flights of passage. It's happened to us before. Check out one of the old videos where we got caught for a good hour and a half and we got caught again, but it's one of those. It's an amazing ride, but it just happens. We're now heading to do some shopping. We're tired from parks, which is normal and expected, but everyone's got energy to go shopping, so we're going to do a bit of shopping, or looking around at least, in Dollar Tree and Target on the 192. Here we are, living our best lives. We are now in Target and kids have decided they're going to do a little challenge. They're going to buy each other a gift for under $10. So I've got Aoife and she's heading to find something that she thinks Fionn might like. Target never seems as chaotic as Walmart.
I can hear them. I could get him a set which fits, so let me see how much those are. Get him a Robo Turtle.
Aoife has successfully picked 2 things. We'll see what Fionn ends up getting her. That's one. And then the other one.
A skateboard.
Nice. Finished in Target. Now we are at Cheddar's Scratch Kitchen. Gonna have some food. Very exciting. Hang on, do you need some help with that?
Hang on.
Oh, hang on.
Oh, hang on. Oh my goodness, slime! And also, I knew you wanted some tech deck, so I got you the way.
Well, what do you think of them?
Are you happy? You can don't open your slender.
How were the croissants?
Oh my god, they're amazing.
I don't think I've ever tasted anything so good in my life.
My drinks are
Tasty? It's nice. As you fall watching, Sarah, what's the verdict on Cheddars? We had our meal there this evening. Good, bad?
I enjoyed Cheddars. It's very nice. Lots of food though.
A lot of food, we took a bit away.
We brought some home, so that'll be nice for tomorrow. But no, it was very nice. Kids enjoyed it.
Good values, $48 before even adding on a tip for 2 children's meals, 2 adults meals, and then we got
free refills so the kids took advantage of that.
Very friendly staff, handy on the 192.
Nice and fast service. Yeah, it was very good. Enjoyed it.
Well, end of day 4. Do you have any particular highlights from today?
yeah. Getting my hat and
Spending money.
getting what is it? A Yeti ice cream, going on Mount Everest. Oh yeah.
Quite a few.
Banshee.
Good day all round for you.
Banshee.
Probably my gift, and the Yeti ice cream was really nice and going on Everest.
Sarah?
The bird show.
The bird show. The bird show was very good.
Oh, and the Nemo show.
Amazing.
I enjoyed the Nemo
Wait,
show.
did you video the
bird show. Yeah.
Adam's gonna be scared.
Adam's gonna love it.
Yeah. Hey Matilda. So that's the
Oh, Felix.
That's the end of the day for. Everyone have a good day.
Yeah, this smells of alcohol.
You need to eat your best bear.
I think the shows. I think the Nemo and the Bird Show, they were up there with it. I do enjoy Flights of Passage. The 2 hours put a bit of a bummer
2
on
hours.
it. Yeah, it put a bit of a bummer on it. But
Yeah, that would have made the highlight list.
it would have done. If that had been an hour, like we'd been motoring along, I think that would have been my highlight.
Oh my
But,
god, the table floating.
yeah, it was 2 hours is a bit long.
Like and subscribe.
See you tomorrow.
Yeah.